Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term HML. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, HML is an acronym that means hit my line. People use it when they want someone to contact them or send a message. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. HML first showed up in early 2010s texting culture. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among younger people who text a lot. Now let's check out how to use HML in a sentence. Correct example 1. If you want to chat later, just HML and we can catch up. Correct example 2. Hey, I'm free this weekend. HML if you're down to hang out. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said HML at Sunday dinner and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using HML right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. HML means hit my line. It started in early 2010s texting culture, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with HML in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.